So we are back. It's very bright again outside. 26 degrees today. Crazy. So I'll do another how-to. This time on the rear diffuser. I'll obviously add these when I get the car finished as part of the complete build, but for anybody that I suppose wants to change parts of their car and doesn't know how, and just want to pay somebody and wants to learn, I will do my best to show you. So follow me around to the rear till we see what we're going to do. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera actually with the light. So rear diffuser, which is just complete. Back panel, should be a couple of screws underneath, and then the rest is just a dozen clips along the top. Remove it. So we will get to work, and I will show you how what we're going to put on, I suppose. We'll install this slightly sportier version. Needs built up. That's the rest of it there. So this all connects together. In here is our rear deflectors, the red bits, so they will need unplugged. So just under the car now to show you. So we have like a wee plastic rivet here. So the middle one pops out, and then that'll just pop out. And this is if you can see it, an 8mm. So it's a tiny 8mm bolt. There's nothing along this bit at all. We shouldn't need to take these out, these are for the bumper. It's only these two on both sides. So we need to get to it. There's one plastic over it. There we go, just fell out. I'll miss my head. I'll not show the other side because it'll be quicker than that. See how easy it is there. So just follow this along. And same again, don't be pulling crazy hard. Just manipulate it, and that's it off. All these wee clips right along it. They pop off pretty easy. And then what we need to do is transfer these red deflectors over to the other side. And if you look back here, they're just clipped in. So all being well, and then we'll just clip out. So yes, gonna take these clips off, hopefully just press them in like that. That one broke, that was so fragile. I didn't even use any pressure on that one, just so you know. Not good. So as you can see, I broke a clip. It's obviously been brittle from the sunshine. So to make sure we get these right, we will spin our new diffuser around so we're the same direction. And we actually have screw holes in this one and no wee opening, so our clips don't even work. So it looks like we need to take these clips off to actually make this fit in the bumper. And of course the one that didn't break is rock solid, so that's definitely not sitting as flush. We're going to have to try and cut these off somehow. If you're going to do this at home with a knife now, just be damn careful. Point the knife away from yourself. I can't be responsible for anybody losing a finger or needing stitches. You do this at your own risk, basically. So next up is the rest of the rear diffuser, the back oval. So we'll few the clips in here, and this should literally just clip in. So we'll do a test fit and see how it lines up. So as you can see here, two small screws to hold this together. So this is just the reverse. So line your clips up. So that is the finished product. Hopefully it looks a bit better. Probably need new exhaust tips now as well, because now they're hid. So there you have it. That is roughly how to install a rear diffuser. Hopefully it made sense. If not, let me know. Like and subscribe, please.